So, it is a new day, a new morning. I accidentally left that lamp on all night. Don't tell Dad. He's doing old man workouts in there, which are very good. I'm actually, honestly, really happy with how well he's taking care of himself. Like, we're still able to go on motorcycle rides, and he's 71, which is awesome. So, we are going to continue with the roof. Let's get some air. It's raining. It's cold. Nope.
Get the photograph. You had to have a tripod.
Alright. Sorry, I feel so bad for interrupting you, but the video started. Go ahead, what were you going to say?
I bought a tripod because I took a class and they said I needed a tripod. That was it.
That was the... Where did you take that class at? Library. Ooh. Oh, that was when you first got the... Yeah, I remember when you first got the new camera. Okay.
Okay, now, shut up.
Alright, no, it's fine, it's fine. It's still going, it's fine. We got plenty of time on here. It's not on the hyperlapse either, so we're good. I was over here like, what is he doing with this YouTube video stuff? Don't make fun of me, I'm filming. I need to get the transmission out faster than I expected because Monkey Wrench Racing is going to take 3 days turnaround to get the transmission, get the LSD installed into it, check the synchros, and then get it ready for me to pick it up. So I'm going to get the front end as much off as I can tonight following 2ZZLow's video on how to get the transmission out. I'm also going to be taking the front off and the headlights off and the radiator out and all that stuff and getting the car with all the wheels off on jack stands because I'm going to be doing a bunch of other stuff to it too. But that'll be the process for tonight, and we'll find out how far I get. Let this be a lesson to you people. Loctite your tools. It's never good to take the lug nuts off a car and then realize that your Allen wrench that holds your breaker bar on has backed itself out because it wasn't tight. So yeah, don't die. Don't be like me. Stay safe out there. Gonna keep going today. Gotta get more of the stuff cleared out so that I can get the transmission removed. Basically, the fan shroud comes out today. The old radiator comes out today. The old radiator hoses, the other one's down there, comes out today. This comes out today. Possibly this fender and the hood today. And then the car is also getting put all the way up on jack stands and the rest of the wheels off, and possibly the brakes taken off today as well. So, oh boy. The goal is to get the transmission out by Sunday. So today is, what's today? Thursday. Today's Thursday. So it would be really cool if I could get it out tomorrow and drop it off at Monkey Wrench tomorrow. But I doubt that's going to happen. We'll see. We'll see. If I do, awesome. If I don't, whatever. But I would like to get the transmission out at the latest by Sunday. That way I can drop it off to Monkey Wrench on Monday. And then they'll have it back to me in 3 days, which means I can pick it up on Thursday. So, yeah. Let's get started. All right. Sorry I've been absent. I will explain, I promise. So I went upstairs looking for gloves. I don't know why I have this. This is a rag. Went upstairs looking for gloves because I found a mystery glove a few days ago. Wonderful, brand new, as I drop it, mechanics glove. These are my old mechanics gloves. They're really beat to hell. And I bought a new pair, but I don't know where the other one of these is, so I gotta find that. And then I ran into these. This is a this is a cheap knockoff Chinese set of fog lamps that I bought for my scooter back in 2011, because it wasn't lighting up enough at night. So this was the first time I was in Korea. And then I ended up getting into an accident in that scooter, breaking both my femurs, my left wrist, and blah, 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 blah. That scooter got trashed. Somehow, these ended up in America, and I don't remember how. I wouldn't have brought them home if I had to pay extra money, because why would I do that? So I don't really know how they got home. but they got here. So I'm gonna see if I can find a way to throw them on the Vibe somehow. Maybe I'll put them on the roof rack or something. Who knows? So, we have a bit of a problem here. It seems my intake, as it sits in the car like this, with the filter down in the bumper and then this going into the intake like that, has been rubbing on the fender wall. So let me show you that. Decided it needed some hot friction in its life. So it got its kicks wherever it could in my poor, defenseless, non-consenting engine bay. The hell. So I'm gonna have to do something about that, paint that, or move the stand or something, figure out why that's rubbing. But got that off, got the mass airflow sensor off. Now I'm gonna go back to tearing down. Not as much done as I would have liked, but it is what it is, and my coat's disgustingly dirty, and I've got another episode to edit. I think the next one's going to be upholstery with Mom, or me fixing a chair that I filmed before I started the series, so we'll see. Got the battery tray out, got the intake out, got the fender liner, or the wheel well liners out, got the under motor guards out, got the radiator shroud, fan shroud disconnected. However, I'm having issues with that electrical connection. I'll show you. I'll show you what I'm struggling with. What I'm struggle bussing with. I'm struggling with this little connector right there. Focus. That one. Can't get that one out because I need to get that one out to then take off the connector to the fan electrics there, to then remove all that wiring so I can get the fan shroud taken out. Once the fan shroud's out, then I can get to the slave cylinder, which is down yonder. It's so sad to see all the rust on this. This thing was completely rust free when I left Ohio. Oh, it's so much work. I'm gonna have to wire wheel or somehow get rid of all this rust and then primer it or pour 15 it. Oh, you poor car. I'm so sorry. It's okay. It's okay. This is gonna get painted gold, so I gotta get working on getting some paint for that. And then my transmission is down in there, and that's gonna get pulled out once I get the rest of this out and the axle out and all that shenanigans. So, gonna go edit some more. Whee!